Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make over $100 in a single day as a complete beginner on the most famous website that's called Clickbank.com. Using this method, which I'm going to share with you in today's video, you can make over $100 simply for just copy-pasting your special affiliate link, which I'm going to show you how to get in this video and pasting it on this website, which is going to send you hundreds of thousands of free visitors that are ready to buy your product. This is 100% free, this is going to work worldwide, and as long as you're going to follow the steps in today's video, I promise you, you are going to see great results. But before that, welcome! My name is Finance Queen. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you love videos about making money online, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I have a new and fresh video. I upload videos daily, teaching you all kinds of different ways on how to make money online. And also, please don't forget to smash the like button on this video for the YouTube algorithm, and tell me what you think about today's video in the comments section below after you finish watching this video. With that being said, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so what you need to do is step number one, you need to head over to clickbank.com. Now this is the website where you're going to land, and for the complete beginners that have never seen any make money online videos, this is a website where you can start promoting digital products completely for free as an affiliate and start making money very, very easily. Clickbank is one of the highest rated affiliate marketing platforms currently in the entire planet, and it's available in over 200 countries. It's been around for over 20 years, and it's paid over $4.2 billion, not million, billion. This definitely means something, and to become an affiliate, this is 100% free, and all you have to do is just click on this blue button right here, become an affiliate, and you can start promoting products. So click there, you're going to be presented with this page where you need to again click on Join Clickbank. As you can see, the Trustpilot reviews are also very, very cool. Now what you need to do is you need to enter the country that you're from, you need to enter your first name in this window, you need to enter your last name, phone number, because you might need to verify it in the future. You need to enter your real email address in this section right here, enter the password, and make sure it's going to be following all the requirements that they have right here. You need to continue to terms and conditions, confirm that you have read them, and you can just join Clickbank. Now, once you're going to join Clickbank, you need to verify your email that you're going to put on right here. So please make sure you're going to enter real details right here, because this is the network that's going to pay you out. Then once you're going to log into your Clickbank, you want to head over to the marketplace section right here. And from this section, there are all these different categories that you can choose different products to promote. Now, don't get this confused. There's a lot more settings inside of this network that you might have to go through in the future as a way to request your payout or to enter your billing details. But for the method that I'm going to share in this video, we're going to make this very, very simple. So just head over to the marketplace section, and then on the left hand side, you're going to see all these different categories of products that you can promote different affiliate products from. Now, 99% of these products are all digital, so that means they are all instantly delivered, and also the commission on them are very, very high. I'm going to show you that in a second. So what you want to do is you want to head over to e-business and e-marketing section right here, and this is where you can promote products that are teaching people how to do internet marketing online. Now there's a lot of them out here. As you can see, some of them are paying like $56, some of them are paying you like $16, some of them $33. And there's some of them that are also going to pay like $297 for a single sale. Now we're going to be talking about these in the future videos, but for now we're going to stick with the one that I'm going to show you right here, and it's called Click Wealth System 2021. Now the EPC, which stands for earnings per click, means how much you're going to earn on average for a single person that's going to click on your affiliate link. For this specific product, it's $1.95. It's almost $2 for a single person that you're going to refer to this product. Now how to actually do this? This is very simple. Just click on the promote button right here, and it's going to pop up in this window. Now there's more information about a product, like how much you're going to be earning for commission and your account nickname. Make sure you're not going to change this because then your affiliate link is not going to work. All you have to do is just click on Generate Hop Links right here, and this is going to be your hop link. And now what you need to do is click on this icon right here, which is going to copy this affiliate link. By the way, if you're enjoying today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Now let's get back to the video. Now whenever somebody is going to make a purchase through this link, you are going to be making an average of $16. But the best part is you can make up to $250 for a single sale because there are a lot more upsells in the funnel. Now what you need to do is you need to head over to the website that's called bit.ly.com. Now this is a link shortening service that we are going to be using to turn this ugly link that you see right here into a beautiful looking link with just one button. Click on shorten right here and it's going to change this entire link into this short link, which is much more appealing to people to click on instead of this other link. Now I don't know about you guys, but I would much rather click on this link from a reputable website like bit.ly.com instead of this long link with all these numbers and letters that don't mean anything at all. So just click on copy, and now whenever somebody's going to click the link, and I'm going to show you an example, let's click there, then we'll come up to this page which says give me 5 minutes and I will show you how to generate your first paycheck online. Then watch the video, then they can purchase the product after the countdown timer runs out. Now the problem right now for the beginners is how to actually get people to click on this link and to actually make them buy your product. That's going to be very simple because I'm going to show you a 100% free website that's going to do all the work for you. And the website is called Hercules.com. Just head over to Hercules.com and this is going to be a website where you're going to land. Now this is a website where the advertising is simplified. You can simply advertise to thousands of people, actually 160,000 people on a daily basis completely for free. And also for a free sign up, you're going to receive $5 as a bonus that you can use towards advertising. Now, how does this website work? Well, first of all, they have been around the internet for almost 20 years, and what they're doing is they're just going to be sending you 100% real traffic via email and web marketing. Using this website, you can sign up and instantly send an email to over 160,000 people that are currently interested in making money online or running a successful business from their home. That's the reason why we went for a make money online product from Clickbank, so now all you have to do is just begin and click the get started button right here. Create your free account, claim your free $5 bonus, and then you want to enter your website right here, and you want to send it to all of these 160,000 people. Now obviously, not every single person is going to buy or click on the product. That will be just too good to be true. But let's say 1% of these people are actually going to check out your product, and let's say from that 1%, they're going to actually make a purchase. That's already 16 people that are going to look at it and make a $16 purchase, which is definitely more than just $100 in a single day. And the best part is you can advertise to these people on a daily basis completely for free. So all you have to do is just log into your account every single day, send them your special link on a daily basis, and you can enjoy daily commissions from a 100% free website. And that's about it for today. Thank you for watching and hope you get a lot of value from today's video. And just before you go, don't forget to leave a like and be sure to subscribe for more. Also, let me know what you think about today's method by commenting down below. And to watch even more videos, check out any of them that are going to pop up on the screen right now. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.